Hi everyone, it's Antoinette. Here we are. My family can't get enough of this. Pesto, mozzarella, stuffed chicken breast. So easy, so simple. I have my 2 chicken breasts here. If I'm making it for 4, I would use 4, 6, whatever it is. I cut the chicken breast in half, but not all the way. Leave it closed so this way it becomes stuffed. Okay, so I've got 2 of them. What I'm going to do is coat it, first of all, with a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, just to keep it moist. And then I'm going to take the pesto. You can make your own or you can buy store-bought. It's up to you, whatever you're comfortable with. I have to tell you, the store-bought ones are delicious. But it's simple to make your own. It's just, you know, the basil, the pine nuts. It's so good. Okay, so now we're going to stuff it. We're going to put a little bit of Italian seasoning, just a little bit. Some salt, just a little bit of salt because the pesto has some salt flavor in it. Okay, some pepper. Okay, I'm going to clean my hands. I touched the chicken. I want everything to be very clean. And now we're going to put the mozzarella in it. I like to use fresh mozzarella. Okay, like that. Some peppers. This is a recipe, when I tell you you have company, it's like a gourmet meal. This is the kind of recipe that you see when you go into a fancy restaurant, Italian restaurant. You'll see something stuffed like this. It's so good, so flavorful, but yet so simple. You see how easy it is? Then this goes in the oven for 350, at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I want to tell you, it's done. You fold it, you close it. I like to put a toothpick just to make sure everything stays inside. It's like a little pocket. It's a little pocket of delicious flavor here. And then I also put a little bit of pesto on top just to give it extra flavor. My family loves this. I'm telling you, they can't get enough of this. When I make it, they all come running over. Yeah, and it's, you know, I'm here, I can smell it. It smells so good. The recipe will be posted below. You can follow me for more. I always have exciting recipes, but remember, all my recipes are pretty simple. Coat my dish with a little bit of olive oil. Put these here. This goes in the oven. You'll see the finished